Hey everyone, so this is a little bit of how the Bitmoji locker works. So blank locker, I deleted everything that was already there, so it's time to add my images. So I'm going to go up here to the magnifying glass, and I love tea parties. I've had them since I was little. My mom and I love to go to tea parlors, so I know that I want a teapot in my locker. I'm going to choose this one because pink is my favorite color. Okay, so I'm able to take a bit of this white space away, and I think it's called, you click erase, and see, I can erase this white background. Now, I love to do things really well, but I'm not going to take the time to get every sort of crook and cranny just right. Here you can change the size, so if I want to get into the tiny details, then I can, oh, see, I'm taking the handle off, and that's okay. Let me get up here with the bigger sized eraser. See? Oof. It is a-okay though, because this is just a photo, just a little picture. All right. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller to get a little bit, see, this handle is gone from this teapot. Gone, gone, gone. But that is okay. You just get these tiny little pieces. Get this one. Okay, so I'm going to click done because it is what it is. Now I've got to fit it into my locker. So like that, oh, it already looks too big. So I come over here, and if you can see it partially, it's called lock ratio. I don't know entirely what it means, but you can make it even smaller so that you can fit it in. And then my next item, let's see, I love Colonial Williamsburg. It's my dream job to be an interpreter there. So Williamsburg, let's see, painting. Oh yes, okay. I am going to go with one of the governor's palace, and I am just going to shrink this. Oh, see, I get it just like that, as if it is a poster in my locker. And then I'm going to show you just how to add one more item again to shrink its size. So let's say I like to cycle, stationary bike. And cycling is on a, well, okay. Let's go with this one. Oh, this has a lot of detail. So I'm going to try my best with the eraser. And, you know, oh, see, all right. Don't take too much time with the eraser, because this is when you could truly let all of your time get away from you, and then you're not going to have a full locker, and we won't get to know who you are. Alrighty. Well, I'm just going to take that little bit of the bike off. See, the saddle. It's going to be okay. Alright, so I'm done erasing, and here is the lovely stationary bike. So this is how you add items. Try to add at least 10 items to your locker, whether it all fits in or you pick something that's kind of big like this bike. And that is how you add items to your locker.